My name is Gira Bhatt and I am from London. As Baba mentioned in Sri Sai Satcharitra that how far you are, I can still reach to you and I can cross the seven seas, which is very much true. I have experienced so many times that Baba is just right near me. I can't actually remember how I got connected to Baba, but I would like to share some experience which I had with Baba. So first experience I like to share, which has happened with me in 2011 when I was doing my masters. So I was doing MBA and my final dissertation date was there, but I still could not finish my dissertation due to the work commitment, due to not planned my year that well by me, and due to the so much projects were going on the date itself, on a dissertation date. I went to Baba and I said to him, Baba, you cannot do this to me, you cannot let me lose like this. Actually that was my fault that I was not studying that well. I had not planned that much. Within a 10 second I received a phone call from my workplace where they said, Gira, your work performance is very well and store manager is very happy and we would like you to take 2 days off. I felt so much relief. I started my work around 4 o'clock. My printer broken down. My work was completed, but I could not print because my printer got broken down. I just looked at Baba's photo. In a 5 minutes, my brother came from a school and he said, let's go to internet cafe and you can print there. I just got ready. I just prayed to Baba and I just walked off. My printout got done. Whole dissertation was ready. And then I was ready to go to my uni. When I reached to the underground station, I just realized I forgot my handbag. No money in my hand. No debit or credit card is in my hand. And in London, we use a Oyster card. I was not also carrying that. I just felt so bad. While I was standing near the travel card stand, one of the old men came. He was wearing white kurta, he had a white beard, he was wearing a white cap with the jacket, and he tapped my shoulder. And he said, are you looking for travel card? Because he's a stranger, I did not reply to him. Again he tapped my shoulder and asked me the same question. I still ignored it. Third time, when he tapped me, I felt so happy and somehow I just looked at him. He held my hand and put the travel card on my hand. And he said to me only one thing, my journey ends here, your begins. And then he just disappeared. Even before I looked at him, he just got disappear. But I felt so divine and so happy. So I went out to look for him. I could not find him. I sat on a train and made my journey towards uni. Then I realized it was already 5:20 and the uni admin office must have been closed. I said to Baba, Baba, I don't want to go through because if I submit my assignment late, I have to pay the late fee plus my marks get cut off. So when I reached to the uni was still open and I walked into the admin office. Every single person was gone from the office, but my own head teacher, who the one was a programmer of the project, he was sitting there. And he just asked me, Gira, are you okay? I say, I'm sorry, sir. I could not come on time and submit. He said, do not worry. Give it to me. I'll take your assignment and I'll mark. By the way, I'm the one who's going to check your assignment. I felt so relaxed and I was shocked how he's still sitting in office when everyone has left. I come back home. After 2 months, the result has came. And this extreme miracle happened. On a last minute, I done my project. I rushed it to submit it. And for that dissertation, I got distinction. I got extreme happy and I had no words what to say to Baba. Second experience I had a fight with my friend, and I love my friends, all of it. I don't want to lose anyone. And basically that was a very small thing, and we had a fight, and it's created very much misunderstanding between us two. And that was not even my fault, but the person was not ready to listen, and person has said so much bad thing to me. Then I went to Baba and I said, Baba, you know I am not wrong. I did not do anything incorrect, but person is not understanding. I need your help, and I'm telling you, if my friend coming and not saying sorry to me and not start speaking to me, I will not speak to you. And that was a Friday. Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, my friend called me and say, I'm really sorry, Gira. You are the gem. You are tried, not even my fault, but the person was not ready to listen. And person has said so much bad thing to me. Then I went to Baba and I said, Baba, you know I am not wrong. I did not do anything incorrect, but person is not understanding. I need your help, and I'm telling you, if my friend coming and not saying sorry to me and not start speaking to me, I will not speak to you. And that was a Friday. Saturday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, my friend called me and say, I'm really sorry, Gira. You are the gem. You are trying to make me understand, but I could not understand. So I'm really sorry, and I'm your friend forever. And I just looked at Baba. This is just not even a one full night gone, and you are just with me like that. Every day I was going through so many miracles, like small thing, and I feel that Baba is just right next to me. I must say I haven't prayed for so long. I don't do big pujas, but I do, like, I read sometimes Satcharitra. I talk to Baba while I'm praying. I just do diya. Somehow I felt it that I should do 9 Thursday. So I started 9 Thursday, and then I did not even ask that to Baba that I want to come to Shirdi. I never ever been to the Shirdi, but after completing the 9 Thursday, same year, I got invited to India for wedding, and from there we decided to go to Shirdi. I feel extreme happy that I didn't even ask for it, but Baba still calling me to see him. When we went to Shirdi, as we all know, it's a very crowded place. We had to wait for a long time in a queue. When I enter in a temple, I feel so peaceful. And we got opportunity to stand just right front of Baba, like very close. And everyone was saying, go fast, go fast, go fast. Somehow, one of the policemen came and he told me, why are you looking at the priest? Look at the Baba, do his darshan. And then I felt that me, my auntie and myself, we are the only 3 person in a temple. And literally for 10 minutes, I was able to see Baba and talk to him. My tears was out of my eyes and I could not control myself. But that was the amazing experience when I went to Shirdi. And then after we finished the darshan, the same policeman came and took us out. He was with us until the door. After that, very disappear, we could not figure out. But I must say, Baba is always there. If you pray from your pure heart, whatever you ask, he will give you. And he's the one who gives us the guidance. So I wish everyone a happy and healthy new year, and may Baba bless all of us. Om Sai Ram.
श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
ओम साई राम।
साई लीला टीवी के साई भक्ति परिवार में आपका स्वागत है।
साई लीला टीवी के माध्यम से साई भक्ति की यह गंगा यूं ही निरंतर बहती रहेगी और साई भक्ति का यह अटूट सिलसिला हर दिन जारी रहेगा। भक्ति मनोरंजन से भरपूर नित्य नए कार्यक्रमों के साथ साईं लीला टीवी ने की है एक नई पहल।
अब हमारे सद्गुरु श्री साईनाथ विराजमान होंगे हर घर में,
और हर साईं भक्त कहेगा हर हर साईं, घर घर साईं।
अब आप घर बैठे ही भाग ले सकते हैं श्री साई सगुन उपासना में, यानी कि साई की उपासना में,
और लीन हो सकते हैं श्री साईं के चरणों में, जिसमें दिन भर चारों आरतियों के साथ
चरणी ठेविला माथा घेऊनी पंचारती करू बाबांची आरती।
अति साई बाबा सौख्यदातार जेवा
ओवाळू आरती माझ्या सद्गुरुनाथा, माझ्या साईनाथा।
हर दिन शुरुआत होगी श्री साईं अभिषेक पूजा, और हर गुरुवार श्री साईं सत्यव्रत कथा घर बैठे हो जाएगी साईं मंदिर के पुजारी श्री प्रमोद मेढ़ी जी के साथ।
इतना ही नहीं, साई मंत्रों के साथ श्री साईनाथ स्तवन मंजरी का पाठ भी होगा।
इन सभी कार्यक्रमों का सीधा प्रसारण साईं लीला टीवी प्रातः 4 बजे से लेकर रात्रि 11 बजे तक किया जाएगा। आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में बैठे हों, साईं लीला टीवी के माध्यम से आप सभी पूजा विधि में लाइव कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से सहभाग ले सकते हैं।
श्री साई सगुन उपासना पूजा विधि के लिए जरूरत है
श्री साईं की मंगल मूर्ति, श्री साईं सद्गुणोपासना पुस्तिका और पूजा सामग्री की।
ये सामग्री आप तक न फायदा न नुकसान तौर पर आप तक पहुंचाने का साई लीला टीवी का मानस है, जिसमें श्री साई की प्राण प्रतिष्ठित मंगल मूर्ति के साथ श्री साई के वस्त्र, मुकुट और माला, शुद्ध पूजा सामग्री जैसे कि चंदन, अगरबत्ती, हल्दी, कुमकुम, अक्षत, इत्र इत्यादि आपको प्रदान की जाएगी।
श्री साईं की मंगल मूर्ति साईं लीला टीवी के माध्यम से शिरडी में ही बनाई जा रही है। अभी आप स्क्रीन पर साईं मूर्ति के दर्शन कर रहे हैं। यही मूर्ति आपके लिए भेजी जाएगी। यह मूर्ति साईं लीला टीवी ने खास साईं लीला टीवी परिवार के साईं भक्तों के लिए बनवाई है। इतना ही नहीं, जो मूर्तियां प्रदान की जाएंगी वह शास्त्रों और मान्यताओं के अनुसार प्राण प्रतिष्ठित और मंत्रों से अभिमंत्रित करके ही भेजी जाएंगी।
प्राण प्रतिष्ठा कार्यक्रम का सीधा प्रसारण साई लीला टीवी पर मूर्ति भेजने से पहले ही किया जाएगा, जिसमें आप घर बैठे ही सहभाग लेंगे। हमें विश्वास है कि इस मंगल मूर्ति की आपके घर में स्थापना करने के बाद आपका घर साई मंदिर बन जाएगा और साई सगुन उपासना से आपका हर दिन मंगलमय हो जाएगा।
श्री साईं की मंगल मूर्ति के साथ आपको श्री साईं के वस्त्र, मुकुट और माला भी भेजी जाएगी। इसके साथ ही पूजा विधि के लिए आवश्यक अगरबत्ती, जो पूरी तरह से नेचुरल है और जिसकी भीनी भीनी खुशबू से आपके दिन की शुरुआत प्रसन्नता से होगी। चंदन, जो चंदन आपको दिया जाएगा उसकी खुशबू आपको शिरडी की याद दिलाएगी। इत्र, जिसके इस्तेमाल से आप दिन भर महकते रहेंगे और आसपास के लोग दिन भर आनंद लेंगे भक्ति वाली खुशबू का।
इतना ही नहीं, इसके साथ पूजा के लिए आवश्यक खास चुने हुए हल्दी, कुमकुम और अक्षत आपको भेजे जाएंगे, जो आपके घर को पवित्र और मंगलमय बनाएंगे।
साईं लीला टीवी साईं भक्तों द्वारा साईं भक्तों के लिए एक उपहार है।
इसलिए साई लीला टीवी ने श्री साई सगुन उपासना
शुद्ध पूजा सामग्री आप तक न फायदा न नुकसान के तौर पर आपको भेजी जाएगी, जिसमें आपको श्री साईं की मंगल मूर्ति के साथ सारी पूजा सामग्री प्रदान की जाएगी।
जुड़िए श्री साई सगुन उपासना लाइव कार्यक्रम में साई लीला टीवी के साथ और श्री साई सगुन उपासना शुद्ध पूजा सामग्री के संबंध में अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें, कॉल करें या व्हाट्सएप करें 8799773196 पर। आप हमें ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं saililatv@gmail.com पर।
जारी रहेगा साईं भक्ति का अटूट सिलसिला। बस देखते रहिए साईं लीला।